Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create or add expenses in Agiled. So I'm on the expenses screen and we have this add expense button here, and you can click it to create expense, or you can use our mobile app to create an expense as well. It is available on both Android and iOS. So I'll click on this add expense button. So I will click on this add expense button to add or create an expense. So now here on the add expense button we have all these options. I can add a single expense, or if I want to add multiple expenses I can click on the multiple expense tab here and add multiple expenses at once. For now I'm going to add a single expense. If I want to log an expense on someone else's behalf, I can choose that from here. So let's say I want to add it for SAV, and then I can choose a project for which for which this expense is, and I can, if I'm dealing with international currencies or international teammates or international clients, I can add expenses in multiple currencies. So let's leave it to default, and I can add item name. Let's say I'm buying or SAF bought a pizza for a client, so let's say pizza. And in the category I can choose from already added categories, or I can add a new category here. Let's say dining, and I can select this option, and then we have include distance option. So if I am tracking then we have include distance option that your teammates or you can use to track your mileage. If I want to track my mileage, I can turn this on, add the distance and add the unit price for this per unit, and it will be automatically added to the price option here, but we are going to disable it for now. And purchase from, it is the merchant name here, so you can add the merchant name here. So let's add, let's say Pizza Hut, and I can add the price and purchase date. And if I want to make this expense recurring, I can do it from here, and I can choose how often I want to add this expense to my account. So we are going to leave this disabled, and if I have a receipt or an invoice for this expense, I can browse the receipt or invoice from here and add it with the expense. And after I've added all the details, I can click on this save button to save that. So this is how you create an expense in Agile, and as you can see, this expense has been created, and since it was created by an admin, it is already approved. But if you want to change its status, you can go to the edit option and change the status from approved to pending or rejected if you want. So this is how you create expenses in Agile.